Hello viewers, something different for you today. Last Friday I was at the workshop and saw Lawrence was working on his truck, so I said, what are you doing? And he said, I'm preparing to go 260 miles up to the Pendine sands. So whilst Ellie and I were in Cornwall, I gave him the camera and I said, why don't you film a little vlog, and hopefully that'll keep you guys entertained whilst we were off enjoying ourselves. So be easy on Lawrence, it's his first time vlogging. I think he's done a great job and I think it's a really interesting video. For those of you who asked about car stuff, here it is. Enjoy.
Right, so bit of a different video this week. I'm going to do a road trip up to Pendine Sands. So I'm visiting some friends up there. They've all got old hot rods and stuff and they're racing on the beach this year. Obviously because of lockdown it's been cancelled and they've had a lot of time to work on their cars, so it should be a really good event. They've all trailered their cars up there. I'm driving the truck, as you can see, and as you will see in this video. It's 260 something miles up there. Longest I've done in this is about 100 miles, so lots of checks. Working on it late last night till gone 10 I think it was. Doing some minor last minute bits and bobs here and there. Got spare parts packed, got sleeping stuff, not actually sure where I'm sleeping yet, but I've got stuff to, to sleep with and everything like that. Just got to stop, get some brake cleaner, a phone holder so I can see where I'm going on the sat nav, and of course road trip snacks and some beer. And for those of you wondering, this is all insulation. We just had to come out to do stuff to the roof. The reason I've got that is it's not to keep me warm in here because I've got windows, it's because it's really bloody noisy in here. So I've got my ear defenders ready and I'll be wearing them the entire way, I'm sure. They're Bluetooth so I can have a sat nav through them, so that's all right. I might actually be able to hear something when I get to the other end. Hopefully everything goes well. If not, you'll know about it on this video. And yeah, this is the story of the road trip. Right, so just about to leave for Pendine. Got most of the shopping, got the important things in the front, riding shotgun, beer and food. Got the breakfast of champions and lunch. Couldn't get a phone holder, so the phone is just wedged up there, but it should be alright, it's not too bumpy in here. So hopefully it doesn't fall out the windscreen. Windscreen's open at the moment because it's actually quite sunny today, which makes a nice change. I've just got to clean the windscreen, double check my directions, and then go. But yeah, it's saying it should take about 6 hours to get there. I think it's going to be more like 7 to be honest, because I can't cruise at any decent speed really. I can only really cruise about 60 without just guzzling down fuel. It gets about 20-25 to the gallon anyway, so I don't really want to, you know, use any more fuel than I absolutely have to. A little bit of time's fine. So yeah, hang tight for the next update. We have done a total of 150 miles and it has taken us a whopping 4 hours so far. Truck's doing well, no overheating or anything like that. I was going to drive sensibly, but whenever there's no traffic I'm giving it some beans, so I can actually try and make some progress, because at this rate it's going to take me about 7 and a bit hours to do 260 miles, because that's what England's like. But yeah, truck's doing well. Used about half a tank of fuel, so we'll see how it goes from here. Right, this will make you laugh. I don't know what what the council's like in Wales, if it's bad budget or if the Welsh just aren't too sharp. That is a speed bump that's drawn onto the road, but is not three-dimensional. I'm not going insane, but it's drawn onto the road, completely flat. What is that all about? Right, so we're here at the sands, tide's just going out, cars are mostly on the beach. I've managed to sneak my car on, but people are quite unimpressed with it. But yeah. fuel blower.
Contender. Right, so I had the final day of Pendine. Really good first day. Second day, the weather closed in and they had to call it off early and whatever, but still very good event. Highly recommend. Truck's done well. Truck got a lot of attention. Maybe not the right kind from some people, but that's, you know, that's what it's there for. It's for me, not them. So yeah, so about to do the hopefully 5-6 hour drive home. It took us 8 hours to get here because of traffic. So the football's on tonight, so I was going to stay until tomorrow, but I decided to leave early. Hopefully the traffic won't be too bad. It's hacking it down as well, so hopefully there won't be too many people out. It's raining quite a bit here, so not really looking forward to that. I did the 8 hours up here just to stopped once for fuel, and that was it. So I just wanted to get here, get it out of the way. Probably do the same on the way home. Gonna get absolutely soaked, I can tell. I still don't have side windows, foolishly, and my windscreen leaks like mad. You can see all the water on the dash that comes down from the top. And I found a rag and I've cut it up and stuffed it in, because otherwise it sprays you with water in the face. So hopefully that's that problem solved. My clothes and not sleeping stuff is all covered up by my poncho. Can't cover myself up though, because otherwise I can't change gear or do the handbrake or anything. So yeah, hopefully nothing goes wrong. Hub seal was leaking a bit on the way here, but it should be all right. Right, well, 5 minutes in and my car has just launched its windscreen wiper on somewhere back here, so better go find that, because otherwise I'm not going to be able to see where I'm going. Right, oh, that's that. Make sure that's on a bit better. Handy dandy tool roll. Check. So problem one, windscreen wiper just flew off. So I swapped the one over from that side, but I managed to break the spring doing it. So it's cable tied, and there's traffic flying by me at 70. So hopefully nothing else goes wrong. Right, so back from Pendine now. Not now, been back about a week or so. GoPro's playing up on the way home, so I didn't get to film everything I wanted to, but nothing really exciting happened apart from losing a couple of windscreen wipers. That was about as much drama. There was no traffic because I came home whilst the football was on, and yeah, made good time. Much better than the way up there. All in all, did 14 hours of driving with 20 minutes of breaks and did I think it was about 600 miles in the end once the traffic was out of the way. But amazing event, really cool cars, some good inspiration for some future builds you might keep an eye out for. Yeah, real fun, nice to finally hang out with people and do human stuff again. Good weekend, ruined my bank account and ruined my spine. It's now like a loose stack of pebbles, but it was completely worth it. Proper good fun.
And that is that for this week's video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I didn't want to leave a 2-week break between videos. Basically, we spent a week in Cornwall, we've just got back, and now we're preparing for Malé. I've got to go back to work, so I haven't got the time to make a normal video, so hopefully this will tide you over and keep you interested in time for the Malé video. So I guess I'll see you in that. Cheers.